Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Google account on your iPhone. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a like. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Settings on the iPad or iPhone. We're going to scroll down here and we're going to find Mail. We're going to open Accounts. We're going to select Gmail account. And in order to log out, we need to press Delete Account. There's also these sliders. You can just press Mail and it will close. Don't worry if you delete your account. In fact, your account will not be deleted from your iPhone. So don't worry, everything will be fine. That's how easy it is to log out of your Google account on your iPhone. If this video helped you and liked it, you can like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you later. Goodbye.